Hi everybody, it's Christine, and I just dyed my hair yesterday. I'm just gonna do a quick curling tutorial using a straight iron. This is how I curl my hair every time, and it usually takes like less than 10 minutes. I started with a heat protectant, always use a heat protectant, and then I combed my hair through so that there's no tangles. I should probably section my hair, but I never do to make it quicker. So this front piece that frames the face, I always do that away from the face. So I kind of just clamp down slightly, and then rotate 45 degrees and hold and pull. And I'm gonna switch directions for the next curl. I don't even think that took a minute, and I'm half done, so that's why I like using my straightener. If you rotate your wrist while you're pulling down, you'll get more of a curl. That's it, all done. I think that took less than 5 minutes. I'm gonna redo my bangs. Yeah. Okay, so I just re-blow dried my bangs. All of that looks good now. I'm just gonna finish it off with the Oribe heat styling spray. It's super expensive, but I like asking for it as a gift. Okay, quick outfit change. And this is the final look. So I do like my hair a lot better when it's curled. I don't do it all the time because of the heat, but yeah, I like doing the straighter curls because it's so quick and easy. Let me know if you try it down below.